Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make inexpensive, easy, delicious fondant. My husband will help me with the voiceover and I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned. Babe, the mic is yours.
Wow, what an honor. So guys, I gotta tell you, my wife is not only beautiful, but she's also smart. If you guys want to know how to save some money or put your money to good use, subscribe to her channel. Alright, here we go. Here are the ingredients. Bag of marshmallows, 2 tablespoons of water, half a teaspoon of almond extract, and 4 cups of powdered sugar. So first off, pour the marshmallow into the mixing bowl. Then add the extract and the water. Guys, that could be vanilla extract, whatever extract. Next, take your bowl and put it in the microwave. 1 minute. No more, no less. Gives you time to dance, of course. Yeah. Alright, time's up. After a minute, the marshmallow is ready. Guys, take shortening. I'm telling you, this works. Take shortening. Put it on your spatula. That's gonna allow it to not stick on it because it's very, very, very sticky. And start mixing your marshmallow. You mix it up until it's very smooth. Then you add the powdered sugar. What do you do next? Go ahead and mix. Mix, 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 mix. More powdered sugar, more mixing. All right? It's a workout, I know, but hey, you gotta do it. And once you're done mixing, just put some shortening on your hands and then you're gonna start kneading the paste, okay? Very important. It's gonna be like a slime at first and knead it until it becomes kind of like a Play-Doh texture. So you might have to add a little bit more powdered sugar. You know, use your hands, go ahead and work them. And this is what your dough is gonna look like after kneading it. And then you put it in the middle of a rolling mat. Using your rolling pin, you're just gonna flatten it out, okay? Make sure that it's even throughout. And see how malleable it is? That's because it's homemade. You made it. If you buy it at the store, it's not that easy, I'm telling you. That's it. It's as simple as that. You did it. Inexpensive, easy, delicious fondant, all right? The rolling pin and the rolling mat will be in the description down below. Take care.
Thanks babe, and thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe for brand new videos. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below and any suggestions for future videos. Take care and God bless.